So we're showing off some of our worker safety AI-based reference solutions. These solutions were all built using the IoT solutions framework and are running on our IQ 9100 chipset. The first solution that we're demonstrating is our personal protective equipment, or PPE for short. This allows users to configure a list of safety equipment they expect users to wear while they're, say, at a construction site or manufacturing line. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to go ahead and enable an alert based on wearing a hard hat. So you'll notice on the screen, Amrutha is wearing both a hard hat and a vest. You can see the blue labels that it's detecting both. Now, if you go ahead and remove your hard hat, you'll notice a number of alerts that get generated. The next solution we're going to demonstrate is our restricted zone reference solution. So using AI on the edge, we're able to create custom regions of interest using off-the-shelf 2D cameras. If we detect somebody entering or exiting the zone, we can take a corresponding action. So I'll go ahead and create a custom zone here on the floor. You'll notice that we'll go ahead and generate some alerts. The third reference solution we're demonstrating is our face authentication solution. This allows users to enroll themselves into our secure face authentication solution. And using AI models, we can accurately detect using thousands of points on the face whether or not somebody is recognized and allow them access or deny them entry into a specific resource. All these solutions that we've demonstrated were built using our IoT solutions framework. All of these microservices will be available to developers to use as is, or they can extend to create their own use cases to run on top of Qualcomm's chipsets.